Hi everyone, this is PyroJM, and finally here is my 2016 main stash video. All of the fireworks you see here were purchased from Galactic Fireworks, and as I said in my other videos, I haven't got as much space to work with this year, so I've gone for some slightly smaller caliber fireworks, but it's still going to be a great evening and hopefully everyone will enjoy it. So to start off with, we have the Pearl box. You may remember last year I had the Platinum box, which by the way was amazing. Absolutely loved it. The quality of fireworks in that box were amazing, and pound for pound I think it's one of the best selection boxes I've ever had the pleasure of trying. So the Pearl box is the level below. It's slightly cheaper. I think it's 50 quid. And we'll go ahead and talk about what you get in that. So first off, you get a crackling snake, 5,000 crackles, 6 foot long, with a twin turbo finale. NEC of 92 grams, and you can see their Pyro Promotions. That seems to be on the top of most of the new stuff now from Fireworks International. So I have two of these crackling snakes now, so I will set that one off. We've got El Matador, 16 shot, coloured tails with multicoloured bursts, 84.6 grams of powder in that one. And we've then got Atomic Bursts, which is a 9 shot, is it? 9 shot, yeah. 9 shot cake, 55.8 grams, also by Fireworks International. Lightning Strike, slightly smaller cake this one, 9 shots as well, and that one 55.8 grams. Oh, unusual, I think that one, let me just double check that. 55.8 grams. See, that's amazing. That's what I said in my firework information video. It's not necessarily the size. You look at these two, and that one's quite a bit smaller, but they've actually both got the same net explosive content in them. So we shall see if there is much of a difference. I doubt there will be in terms of effects. We have two of these Golden Flower fountains, both with 40 grams of powder in them. We have two of these colourful Melody fountains, and these are quite a bit lighter. These only weigh 25 grams. We have got, of course, the customary Spooky Spiders. Great little cake. I remember these from a long time ago. This one's pretty cool, actually. I don't think I've got any spare ones of these in my collection, so I'll probably keep these. And of course the Spooky Snakes, which is the twin brother of Spooky Spiders. Both 96 shot cakes, so pretty cool. Then you've got your Saturn missile battery called Missile Attack, 60 grams. And then you've got Toro the Bull, also a 16 shot cake, coloured tails with multicoloured bursts, 67.2 grams. So that's the most, I think, that I've seen in terms of net explosive content, unless El Matador will be very similar. And then you get three of these Shockwave single shot tubes. Now in last year's one, each one had a different effect written on there. For some reason, because of the new laws, the new CE legislations, they've had to change all the labelling on them, and now they don't say the effects. So, but you get three of those single shot Shockwave tubes. This box, to be honest, I might not even use. I might save that for New Year's. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we will see what happens, see where the night takes us, because I do have quite a few fireworks, and I don't want everyone to be out there for hours. Because as much as they love fireworks, and I'd love to, set fireworks off every night, they probably won't be just as enthusiastic. New for me this year, the Penny Farthing wheels, a pack of 2 wheels by Brothers Pyrotechnics. Very slight different labelling here, but I'm guessing they're going to be the same effects really. You can see there red to green to silver flower. So 3-stage wheels, a little bit of fun, and look forward to setting those off. I'll put those there. That's not part of the box, by the way. So everything that you saw in there was the Pearl box, apart from the wheels. Okay, let's see. Then I have the Titanic Turtles pack, which has 3 fireworks in there, and it has Fantasy Island. These are by Star Jigsaw, Mysterious Mushroom, and Strawberry Village. And these have some weight to them. What I'll do is I'll just put them here so you can have a quick look at them, at the details. So, Strawberry Village, yellow palm green strobe, mine to golden palm and red strobe, 30 shots, 20 to 27 seconds. Exactly the same there, you can see they're all 30 shots. This one has yellow green peony, mine to red strobe, and that one has silver palm red strobe, mine to silver crackling palm with white strobe. And they have quite a good amount of weight to them. So I have to say, anything from Star Jigsaw is really, really good. I had the Enemy Ambush pack last year, and it was amazing. You probably saw in the video how big the brakes were in my display video. These are absolutely awesome. They each have a net explosive content of 351 grams, which basically means they essentially are a 30 pound firework each. They do the whole box set of 3. It's called the Titanic Turtles box set, and all 3 of them, the set is $59.99, which pound for pound I think is one of the best selections you can get. These are fan fireworks, so it does say here fan, so make sure that you set them up with your audience this way. I know I say it over and over again, and I know it gets really boring, but I just want to make sure that you guys don't lose out, because the fan effect on these are brilliant. So the audience is that way. Do not set it off with the audience that way, because they won't see the fan. Okay, so there we go. Fantasy Island, Mysterious Mushroom, and Strawberry Village. 3 wonderful cakes. The Titanic Turtles pack by Star Jigsaw. Next up we have Hocus Pocus, new this year from Brothers Pyrotechnics. This is a fantastic fountain, and not only is it a fountain, but it's also a mine. So as the fountain's going off, you will have 3 mines that will go off at 3 different intervals. An amazing firework. I mean, to me on the video it looks fantastic, so I can't wait to set this off. And a fantastic price too. I think it's like £7 or £8. Really fantastic. Go ahead and get yourself this. Hocus Pocus by Brothers Pyrotechnics. You will not regret it. It's a fantastic fountain mine combination. Acid Rain. These have been out for a while. You've also got 2 others in this little series of 24-shot barrages by Brothers. So you've got the Acid Rain, you've got the Hurricane, and you've got the Lightning Strike. All exactly the same firing pattern, just slightly different effects. The Acid Rain is probably my favourite, just because it has 3-shot gold brocade for a finale. 216 grams of powder. I'm sorry, it's a 4-shot brocade to finish off with. A fantastic little cake, and I think if you saw stash video number 2, the box selection that I've got for my friends and their kids, I think I'm probably going to be using this as the finale, so it'll be a bit of fun. But that's a great little cake, and I'm looking forward to seeing that one. I love the graphics on it, very cool. Then we have Afterglow by Celtic, a beautiful, beautiful firework. If you have a look at the video, you'll see it's a gold brocade, and it's the type of brocade that lights very slowly. There's a slight delay after it actually erupts in the sky. Really nice. It almost reminded me a bit of the old classic gold label King rocket, where it just hangs in the air for a long time. Wonderful cake. And this one here, you can see 275.45 grams of powder, and I think it's a 25-shot cake, I think.
Yes, there we go. 25 shots. Titanium chrysanthemum tails, crackling brocade crown. So, wonderful firework from Celtic. I am very excited to be setting that one off this year. Another new one this year from Brothers Pyrotechnics, Angel Dust. And this is a fantastic little cake. It's very unusual that for this price range you get to see mine cakes, but this is fantastic. It's a 20-shot cake. And just have a look at the video. Really beautiful. You can see the effects there. A mine with yellow tips, red tips, orange tips, and also some crackling tips as well. Fantastic. A lovely little cake, and for £6 or £7 you can't go wrong. Go ahead and get yourself one of these if you want to do a back garden display, because these are fantastic. I'm really looking forward to it. Really nice little cake. This is part of the 25 shot cakes that they do at Galactic Fireworks. They charge $14.99, but it's a buy one get one free. And this by Fireworks International is called Whistling Ghosts. It's a 25 shot cake, and these whistles go very, very high. It's almost like the screaming serpents or crazy horses. It's that similar, but it doesn't have the break at the end. It's just the whistling tail that goes up and then extinguishes. It doesn't actually blow up, but a fantastic cake nonetheless. Spooky white stars with eerie wailing whistles. I like the graphics as well. Very cool. So, but they've got quite a few of this 25 shot series. They've also got Popping Candy, UFO Catcher, Purple People Eater, all by slightly different brands, but fantastic, all different effects. So if you like your 25 shot cakes, go ahead and definitely try this one out. It's a great one. Then we've got Flaming Fireballs. Now this is a pretty big piece, and this has some good weight to it. Again, by Jigsaw Fireworks. Love Jigsaw Fireworks. They make great stuff. So this one is a 594 gram fountain, but it's not just a fountain. It is also a shot battery. So what it does is it does a beautiful fountain. There is a bigger brother to this called, I think it's called Smouldering Embers. You'll see it in the behind the scenes Galactic Fireworks video that I did earlier today. You'll see that. And this one was my favourite because the fountain was amazing. It's like these are little, soft crackling flowers, and just amazing. Have a look at the video, you'll see. But what it doesn't show in the video is that at the end there's actually 6 shots that get fired off. Same thing with the other one. So they both shoot off 6 shots. So make sure that it's properly stabilised. I will put a couple of bricks around it to stop it from falling over. It shouldn't fall over anyway, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So Flaming Fireballs, looking forward to setting that one up. Jigsaw just going from strength to strength. They're really making some amazing fireworks, and a lot of people seem to be liking them, and I'm one of them. Next up, Fire Kingdom. Now they're doing a deal at Galactic Fireworks. If you spend over £200, you're able to buy a Fire Kingdom for only 1p. It says RRP there, $79.99. I think Galactic sell it on its own for $39.99 or something like that. And a really good firework, actually. It's not big caliber, but it's 150 shots. It's made by Mega Blast Fireworks, and it's got 707 grams of powder. So a really fun piece. It hasn't. It's good duration, but the types of breaks, obviously they're not going to be huge because it is only small caliber. But a good long-lasting cake, and I look forward to setting that one off. You've then got the Celebration Cracker. I have it every year, and it's a fan favourite of everyone. So no change there. I think they do it for $7.99 as buy one get one free. So a good price there from Bright Star Fireworks. So look forward to that one. A new one this year from Magnum series. This is Dragon's Tail, and wow, what a firework this is. The video looks amazing. It's a 2-stage mine, so you've got your crackling mines, and then above that you've got huge bouquets with crackling flowers as well, and crackling chrysanthemums. 25 shot, 375 grams of powder. A very, very good cake, and one of my favourites for the price range as well. So have a look at that one. It's a beautiful firework, Dragon's Tail by Magnum Series. Another great new firework this year from another fantastic up and coming brand, George Fireworks, or Jorge Fireworks depending on where you come from. This is called Andromeda. It's an 18-shot battery, 25mm caliber, and some beautiful effects. This one has these crackling falling leaves and then has some nice bouquets in the middle as well. So a really stunning effect firework. Those kind of effects are professional effects really, so whenever we get them as consumers they're always great. You can see there crackling plus red falling leaves, crackling and green falling leaves, comet tail rising to chrysanthemum cracker. A wonderful cake, and certainly one of my favourites. There's a good amount of weight to it, and one that I'm again looking for. I'm looking forward to setting up everything, I'm not going to lie, but particularly anything that's new that I haven't tried before. Another fan firework, this one's called Screaming Eagles. This is a 72-shot cake by Taipan. There's a bigger brother called Overdrive. This one looks fantastic though. Really love the screaming whistling tails towards the end, which have a crackling flower as a mine effect. So a bit different, and certainly will, to me, looks like a lot of fun. So it's a new one this year. But as you can see with all the new fireworks, I must be honest, I don't really know why they don't put many descriptions on them, but there we go. Fantastic little firework though, and good for the price as well. I think it's about 20 quid, 25 quid maybe. Great one there. Another one by George Fireworks. This came out last year, or maybe even the year before that. Crazy Whistling Comets, the best missile cake I've ever seen, and this has a really good amount of weight to it as well. It starts off at a fairly crazed pace anyway, but then just gets absolutely mental. It's an amazing cake. If you're looking for a good missile cake, then look no further than this. This is by far the very best. 333 grams of powder. It's got a good amount of weight to this. By George Fireworks. An awesome cake. I'm really looking forward to it. I keep saying that, don't I? As I said, I'm looking forward to everything. Laser Bombard by Fireworks International. A really good cake. Good to see this one back. It was sold for a long time and then disappeared and then came back again. 49 shots, fires off in banks of 7 shots. Various effects from spinners to crackling falling leaves to bouquets. A little bit of everything. I think there is a description here somewhere, so gives you a general gist. But multicolored burst to crackle, whistles to air bombs. So you got a little bit of everything there. But Laser Bombard, a great cake by Fireworks International. Moving on to the rockets. Of course, got the customary pack of Warhawks. By far, I think, pound for pound, the very best rockets that money can buy. I think they're absolutely amazing. So a pack of 5 rockets with huge brakes and very loud as well from Bright Star. You can see, yeah, so this is all the new CE legislations. But very good. These are the best rockets that money can buy, and I think Galactic Fireworks are doing them for, I think, $29.99, so buy one get one free. So very good rockets. And 2 more packs of rockets that I'm trying out this year, and I just want to give you an idea of how big. I mean, I'm 5'11", and this is almost up to, like, this top bit is almost up to my mouth. It is a huge pack of rockets. You can see there by the size of my hand how big these are. But these are awesome anyway. Heroes and Villains. I'll stop blabbering on. By Bright Star, 1.3G rockets. And you can see there the hero, which is the red one, has a blue star with a brocade crown, and the villain has a silver glitter with a green wave. Absolutely huge. 296 grams per rocket. Awesome. Very impressive. So I'm looking forward to seeing them. Sorry, I don't think it's 296 grams per rocket. I think it's 296 grams combined. Either way, big brakes on these ones. And on top of that, I mean, what kid wouldn't like a firework that looks like that? Amazing. Heroes and Villains by Bright Star. And new rockets this year, these are called the Supernova rockets. And these are by Primed Pyrotechnics. And again, look at the size of these rockets. They are huge. Says they're 85% maximum permitted limit. Big blast radius. Or, you know, all for looks really. It doesn't really tell you that much. So this one has a giant brocade and the other one has a giant strobe. Gold brocade and silver strobe. The silver strobe is incredible. If you have a look at the video there, Nigel absolutely loves it, as do many people that buy it. And so there we go. So we have a quick look at everything again. So we've got Supernova, Heroes and Villains, Warhawks, and all these goodies to set off as well. The only thing I'd say that I'm a little bit disappointed about the Pearl Pack is the fact that you've got 2 fountains that are the same. I think it would have been nice to have a bit more variety in terms of the fountains, but yeah, hey, it's still a good price. So one last quick look, and of course that's the other video that I did the other day, so go ahead and have a look at that. But there we go. So guys, have a very safe November the 5th celebration, and I'll be looking forward to seeing all your stash videos on YouTube. As I said, if you've got any questions or comments, please do feel free to ask, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve stash, but if I do, I will definitely record it and post it up on YouTube. So thanks very much guys, and I'll see you all next year, if not for New Year's.